Since 1968, both Auckland Airport and Air New Zealand have undergone significant transformations, evolving in tandem with the broader growth of New Zealand's tourism and aviation sectors. Opened in 1966, Auckland Airport was still in its infancy in 1968. Originally built to replace the outdated Whenuapai Airport, it began with just a single runway and basic infrastructure. However, over the ensuing decades, the airport expanded rapidly to accommodate increasing passenger numbers, driven by the growth in international tourism and New Zealand's status as a major gateway to the Pacific. In the 1970s and 1980s, new terminals, parking facilities, and cargo infrastructure were added, catering to both domestic and international traffic. By the late 1990s, Auckland Airport had become New Zealand's busiest airport, handling over 10 million passengers annually. To manage this growth, major redevelopment projects were undertaken, including the extension of the international terminal and the construction of a second runway, completed in 2001. More recently, Auckland Airport has embraced sustainability and technology, introducing energy-efficient terminals, expanded public transport links, and contactless, automated check-in and baggage systems. It is now a major hub in the Asia-Pacific region, with a vision to transform into one of the world's most future-proofed airports. Air New Zealand, established in 1940 as Tasman Empire Airways Limited, became fully state-owned and was rebranded as Air New Zealand in 1965. In 1968, the airline operated mainly on Trans-Tasman and Pacific routes with a fleet of propeller aircraft. The 1970s marked a period of growth and modernization for Air New Zealand as it introduced jet aircraft, such as the DC-8 and Boeing 747, which revolutionized long-haul travel, allowing direct flights to North America and Europe. The 1980s and 1990s saw Air New Zealand becoming increasingly competitive in the global aviation market, focusing on improving passenger experience, in-flight service, and comfort. After its privatization in 1989, Air New Zealand faced financial difficulties, but following a government bailout in the early 2000s, it re-established itself as a leading airline. Today, it is known for its innovative approaches, such as the Sky Couch seating in economy class and its award-winning in-flight service. Committed to sustainability, Air New Zealand has also made strides in reducing carbon emissions through fleet renewal and fuel-efficient practices, and it actively explores alternative aviation fuels. The evolution of both Auckland Airport and Air New Zealand reflects the broader changes in New Zealand's aviation industry since 1968. As global travel demand grew, these two institutions worked in concert to ensure New Zealand remained connected to the world. Today, Auckland Airport is Air New Zealand's key hub, and the two continue to collaborate on enhancing passenger experience, improving environmental practices, and supporting New Zealand's status as a top tourist destination. Guests traveling to New Zealand with Air New Zealand for their Great North Tours adventure can expect a world-class travel experience from the moment they board their flight. Renowned for its exceptional service and innovative approach, Air New Zealand consistently ranks among the top airlines globally, offering travelers a seamless journey to the breathtaking landscapes of New Zealand. Air New Zealand has built its reputation on providing comfort across all classes, with a focus on enhancing the travel experience, even on long-haul flights. Economy passengers can enjoy generous legroom and award-winning service, while those seeking added comfort can opt for Sky Couch, a row of economy seats that converts into a flat space, perfect for couples or families to stretch out. Premium Economy provides extra space, more refined meals, and additional amenities, while Business Premier offers a luxurious lie-flat bed, premium dining, and access to exclusive airport lounges. Regardless of the class, all passengers can enjoy on-demand entertainment, Wi-Fi, and a curated menu featuring New Zealand's best food and wine, highlighting the country's rich culinary culture. Guests of Great North Tours arriving with Air New Zealand will experience the airline's signature Kiwi hospitality. From the friendly, professional cabin crew to the relaxed, yet efficient atmosphere on board, Air New Zealand brings the warmth of New Zealand to the skies. The airline prides itself on creating a uniquely local travel experience, and passengers will often hear Maori alongside English, experience cultural touches like the airline's famous safety videos, and be welcomed with a genuine sense of care. For those coming to New Zealand for the first time, Air New Zealand provides a preview of the country's laid-back, friendly vibe before they even land. Air New Zealand is committed to sustainability, an ethos that aligns well with the environmentally conscious approach of Great North Tours. The airline is taking meaningful steps to reduce its carbon footprint, including investing in a modern, fuel-efficient fleet, supporting the development of sustainable aviation fuels, and offering passengers the option to offset their carbon emissions. This focus on sustainability allows guests to feel good about their travel choices, knowing they're contributing to a responsible, future-focused approach to global aviation. As New Zealand's national carrier, Air New Zealand provides extensive global connectivity, offering direct flights from major cities across North America, Asia, and the Pacific. For Great North Tours guests traveling from the United States, Canada, or China, Air New Zealand's routes make it easy to fly directly into Auckland International Airport, the main gateway to the North Island. Once landed, travelers can transition smoothly to the domestic network, connecting them to regional destinations with ease. Upon landing at Auckland Airport, guests will be greeted with a modern, efficient international terminal that has been recently upgraded to provide a streamlined and comfortable arrival experience. Whether arriving for the start of their bespoke Great North Tours journey or transferring to other parts of the North Island, guests will experience minimal wait times and easy access to transportation. Flying with Air New Zealand sets the tone for an unforgettable journey, with the airline's emphasis on comfort, innovation, and authentic Kiwi hospitality ensuring that guests of Great North Tours start their adventure in style. Enjoy the rest of this footage and come see how New Zealand has changed since 1968.